Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I finally got my craft room all cleaned up after my Christmas bomb went off. And I got this in the mail a couple days ago. I want to share this swap with you. This was a Christmas Craft Caddy Swap. That's kind of a tongue twister. And my partner was Keisha, and she is Cupcake Wishes and Birthday Dreams, and I will link her below. And this was hosted by Zara, and she is Mrs. S Snail Mail, and I will also link her. And we were to create a craft caddy, and I followed a tutorial. I will link that in my description box also when I sent mine out. So we had to do 2 4x6 handmade cards, a handmade tree decoration, 4 gift tags, 2 seasonal memory dexes, 2 sequin mixes, 2 sets of 4 embellishments, and 2 store-bought goodies. So let's open this baby up. This is cute how she's put all this stuff on top of the tissue, so I can just lift it all out like that and keep it all intact. That's awesome. Okay, so Keisha's got a card here for me. I'll hurry and read that just to see if there's anything I need to share. I mean, I don't read it out loud, but once in a while they tell you something that you need to know when you're opening the swap. So I'm just going to see what this says. Oh, that's sweet. Keisha lost her husband not too long ago, and so I've just kind of messaged her every so often just to make sure she's okay. She's sweet. That's so sad. Okay, so here's her caddy. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Let's just take everything out of the box and then I'll talk about it. Can you believe how expensive postage is these days? It just makes you sick, doesn't it? Okay, so let's start with this cute package. I love this blue tulle with the snow on it. And I'm sure it's from Dollar Tree, but I've never seen the blue in any of my stores. So that is super cute. Yeah, our Dollar Tree doesn't get some of the things that I see on YouTube that some people get, you know, and it makes me mad because I'll see something and then I'll race to like 4 Dollar Trees and I can't ever find it. Do you guys have that problem too? Okay. This is just wrapped so cute. Look, she's even got a snowflake on the back here. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Gosh, it's just chock full of goodies. Oh my heck. Okay, I'll just move some of this out of the way. Okay. Oh, look, I got one of those little foam balls. It was stuck in my fingernail. Isn't that funny? Move those scissors. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's look at this little box that she's made. Cute little box. Aw. Here's 2 sequin mixes. And they're in these cute little jars that you can get at Dollar Tree. And she's put stickers on them. And look how pretty those sequins mixes are. Those are pretty. There's green and red and white and a light blue. Those are way pretty. And then, save that box. That's cute. And then look at this box. Boy, that's real different and cute. That is really cute. I'm not sure how you open it. Well, I guess I'll undo it. I hope I'm not wrecking it. That is really cute. Oh, and it's got a mint, 2 mint candies. I love these mints. They're my favorite. Very cute. Okay, now here's, looks like a really cute pocket that she has made. And if you've looked at my channel, you'll find the video I made of what I sent her. Oh, that is cute, that little embellishment. Can you guys see that okay? That is cute. And then here's the pocket. Isn't that darling? Have a little Christmas cheer. And see, she's made this little pocket, and it's got tropical green tea, peppermint leaves, and Swiss Miss. Very cute. Thank you, Keisha. That is cute. And then these are transfers. Oh, cute. So you can rub these on like a glass jar. Aren't those cute? I bet you could even rub them on wood. Okay, I will be using those next year, especially in my craft fairs. Okay, and here's another cute pocket. I live in Utah, and we are having rain today and tomorrow, and then it's supposed to snow again on Wednesday. We're having a really good winter, though. Lots of snow in the mountains, and we need it because we've been in a drought for a couple of years now. So I'm always glad to see the snow. This is really cute. It's a double-sided pocket. So in this side, she's got two of the Ghirardelli peppermint bark. Oh, two more on this side too. That is really cute. I bet that would be fun to make. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Keisha. Okay. Now we're going to open the Craft Caddy. Okay. And this probably isn't the best angle for you guys to see. I know I had that trouble when I was packing up mine and videoing it, but I kept, you know, I kept turning it. I kept going like this, so people had a good view of what I was showing. And I put mine in cellophane too because I was afraid everything would fall out during the mailing. This is really cute paper that she's used for the caddy. Oh, it looks adorable. Okay, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. So it's got two pockets on the front, one on each side, and then a pocket in the back. So I guess we'll just start right here in the front. Look at these paper clips. This one is a tree. This one is a present. Oh my gosh, this just looks so adorable. Okay, so we had to do some tags. So it looks like this is two of the tags that she made for me. If you've watched my video, what I said in the one I made to send her was that my absolute worst craft in the entire world to make is homemade cards. And I had to make two to send to Keisha, but they turned out cute. But when I have to make cards, I stress because I feel like I don't have a very good imagination. Look how cute these tags are. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look, she's die cut these beautiful flowers. They look like poinsettias. And then there's some vellum here behind. And then behind is the same paper that she's used for the caddy. And then this one has a teal color behind. Very cute, very cute. Okay, and then, oh, look at this. This is darling. I'm sure this is one of the embellishments. We had to do 2 sets of 4 embellishments. Oh, this is cute. I like how she's put it on this. She's cut out a piece of paper, and then she's put like a strip. And then she's just put it on here with some foam so that I can take it off to use it. It's very layered. Can you guys see how layered that is? And look how cute she has used straws. See that? So there's a rosette, some cutouts, some die cuts, straws, a snowflake, a couple of pieces of paper, some ruffled paper. This is a wood gingerbread that she's painted, a little snowflake, and then some of the ephemera from this collection. Isn't that adorable? Thank you, Keisha. I love that. Okay, and here's another embellishment. This is how it's packaged. It's always fun to decide how to package everything, I think. Okay, so this one, again, it's chunky layered. the rosette, some cutouts. It's basically the same, but just different things. And then this has got a wood tree. And then this time it has teal and white colored straws. Super cute. Okay, and here's, look at this cute bag topper, you guys. Rosette with a doily, some paper, another ruffle, some more cutouts, snowflake, and she's put it in this bag with pom-poms, and it's a pair of socks. This says paper clip topper. I wonder if that might go on something else. I don't know. Oh, this is cute. It just slides on there. Oh, okay. Let's see. There, I can see some paper clips in there. So let's see if I can open this. Yeah, that did go with this, that little paper that said paper clip topper. Oh, see, look. And then she's cut out these circles on these paper clips. And I can use those either in my crafting or in my planner. Very cute. See how that just folds over like that. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a bag topper. Well, it was, but also holds the paper clips. What a cute idea. And then here's the socks. Adorable. So cute. Okay, and then this looks, oh, this is a Memory Decks card. Yeah, we had to do 2 Memory Decks cards. And I'm just starting my Memory Decks collection, so it's been really fun because I've had the holder for a couple of years, but nothing to put on it. And it was with this cute doily, which I can use. Look how cute. Here's the card. And then she's got it layered with, these are stickers that she's layered with foam tape in between. Cute idea. A button, some die-cut snowflakes, a die-cut tree, happy holidays, and a cute Santa sticker and a snowflake. Very cute, very cute. I like that. And then look at this little cutie. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's made this little flag. Oh my heck, isn't that adorable? And then look at these paper hearts, you guys, that she's made. They're 3-sided. And then she's put them on this string with a seed bead at the end. Oh my heck, can you see how cute that is? That is adorable. I love that, Keisha. That is cute. And I spy a candy cane. That is really cute. I like that paper. And, oh, here's some cutouts. Yay. Very fun. I can always use cutouts. I don't know what collection that is, and I won't take the time to go through those because that'll make this video too long. Oh, and this is a little notebook. Okay, here's a tree. This is the handmade tree ornament. She's covered this wood piece with paper and a snowflake and a jemmy. That's cute. And then this says, "Let it snow." That's cute. That'll be nice to just keep here in my craft room for when I have ideas. I can write that down because, you know, that happens a lot when you're crafting out. You're always thinking of things that you want to do or that you want to remember. So that'll come in handy. Another candy cane. These craft caddies, I was amazed at how much they hold. Absolutely amazed. She's got these cute bows on here. I think that must have just been to hold them on. Oh, that holds the bow on. Okay. Cute. She's got 2 of these red bows on paper clips. Those will be cute in my planner as well. And then, oh, this is one of her cards. This looks super cute. Obviously, she's better at making cards than I am. Okay. Aw, there's 2 in here. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I was going to sneeze. Okay, hold on. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, excuse me. This is cute. Magic and Merriment. And it's got this sock and this paper and then blank inside. And then with envelopes. And then fa la 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 la. And this cute car. And then she's put this decorative paper across here. Very, very cute. And they're heavy. They're made really well. Those are heavy. They're cute. Thank you, Keisha. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these embellishments. They are so adorable. Let's take them out of the package. These look cute as heck. I always like to get ideas from things like this, you know. You always get ideas from what other people send, don't you? Okay. Oh, they're little beanie hats. And they're just layered up with foam squares. And there's snowflakes and sequins. And she's taken the string and wound it and put that in there. And then cutouts and pom-poms for the pom-pom on the hat. Very, very cute. I love those. Love those. Way cute. Then, oh, this thing just keeps going full of stuff. Okay, this is another embellishment. And another doily that I can keep. Yay. I love this mint color. Oh, and this is another Memdex card. Look how cute that one is. It's got a wood gingerbread that she painted, and he's holding some candy. Snowflakes, a little present button. Be merry. Oh, that's just super cute. Can't wait to add these to my Memdex holder. And then some more cutouts. Aren't those adorable? Look at that snowman. He is cute as heck. Very cute. And then here's another embellishment. It's one of her cute layered decorated rosettes. Oh, so cute. Look how thick it is. It's just layered to the hilt. Again, she's used straws. Cute idea. And embellishments and sequins and snowflake stickers. And oh my gosh. So cute, Keisha. I love that. And then this is my store-bought goodies right here. So I see some foam snowflakes, and I use these a lot in my Christmas crafting and for my craft fair, so I'm always glad to get those. Get that out of there. Okay, this is this is from Joann's. It's cute. It's a tree, and it's got green stars in it, and so it's a shaker, and it's an applique, so you can pull off the back and put it on something. Isn't that cute? Very cute. And then here's my foam snowflake stickers. I love those with the glitter. Those are fun. Okay, and then we'll turn it around this way. Here's the two other tags, and they're just like the others. So that's cute how she had two pockets in front, 2 pockets in back, and a tag in each of those pockets. That's cute. Here's another cute little clothespin paper clip, and it's a star. That's cute. And then I'll show you the inside. Here's the inside. Isn't that cute? And then, excuse me, this is her last embellishment. And again, it's just layered and chunky gingerbread and straws and rosettes and just snowflakes, all sorts of fun things. Very, very cute. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching all that. I know I had fun opening it, and just a cute caddy. Cute, cute. So thank you for watching, and I will tag Keisha and Zara that hosted, and then below, and I will also put the link in for the tutorial that we watched to make these, okay? All right, well, thanks for watching, and please come back. Have a good day. Bye for now.